sorry. I don't have anything. What was that, Jaggy? Is that a raccoon? Did you see a raccoon? Yeah. We're getting ready to leave tomorrow. Sorry you had to see Fabian's underwear. The green today. But he just changed out the oil. We got the generator yesterday, or the day before. And we had to let it run for 8 hours to let all the oil and everything go through, take away all the shillings, I guess, or metal pieces that may have been left in there during the make of it. And not much at all. She was very quiet, so we are very happy about all this. So Predator 3500 inverter, we are going to fill it back up with fuel and also oil. And then we're going to try running it with our AC. Yesterday we just did it on low stuff. And while he's doing that, I am cleaning windows. Yay!
Because I don't do windows.
He doesn't do windows. I don't mind doing windows. So it works out great. Well, the good thing is they're low enough for this short girl. So, and I am super glad that we had cardboard boxes down. Yeah. Apparently we had a little leak issue.
I probably overfilled it because I had it tilt. So I'm trying to figure out how in the world I'm going to know how much oil I put in it.
Overfilled it with oil. That's okay. We're learning here. So we'll give it some fuel. Like 2.5 gallons is what we've been placing in.
Gotta put new oil.
So where's the oil stick? It's empty. Good. So we drained it all into here. The funnel. And we are using this type of fuel. Motor oil, not fuel. Sorry.
The instruction says that I'm supposed to fill it up till the oil is at the tip.
So maybe just do half and then put the dipstick in. See what you get. Always do a little at a time because you can always add more later. Yeah.
I would probably say that's about good.
Okay, so we will use half of a quart. There we go. 1 quart, so use half a quart in the generator. Lessons learned. So we're using the can that originally came in to pour the old oil into it, and then we will find the right spot to get rid of the oil. If you know of any place, comment down below. If we find a place, we'll let you know. Okay, so we are using the Dutch oven for the first time. We cooked dinner tonight and we're using the leftover coals to make some spaghetti. So we have coals on the bottom, coals on top. This lovely little handle thing. And, ooh, look at that. Now, I realized after dinner that we had some leftover hamburger. So that's just leftover hamburger. I promised we didn't burn it. That was from the other day. Hey, baby. So, yep. It's all done. One crock pot wonder. And like I said, that's hamburger from the other night that we just ended up throwing in for more extra meat. So, it is all said and done. We have dinner now for tomorrow night with some meatballs. Yummy!
Well, welcome back. Today we are going to see the Nina and Pinta. I think I'm saying that right.
No, the Nina and the Pinta.
The Nina and the Pinta. Pinta.
No, you're Spanish, you can't even say it.
I'm Spanish and can't even talk Spanish. Nina and Pinta.
No, Pinta.
Nina and Pinta.
The Santa Maria is not here. So the Nina and the Pinta.
Just the Nina and the Pinta.
Okay.
I don't know which one is Nina and which one is Pinta. Tina.
The Nina, it says welcome on board the Nina. And that was the Pinta.
Pinta.
Why are the ships black? They're covered in pine tar, a natural water resistance. Ooh. There's 24 people on the Nina, 26 on the Pinta, and the Santa Maria had 40. Today there's only 7 on the Nina and 9 on the Pinta. Interesting. Look at the little cannon. I can navigate. See the anchor and everything? Mm-hmm. Anchors. There's another anchor right there. On the bow. I'm so excited. I'm a geek. I am a ship geek. Look at that view. Oh.
So has anybody ever heard the term cut and run before? Back then, they would have cut that anchor line and ran away, whether there was a storm on the horizon or it was a pirate coming up behind them. So they just cut that anchor line and run. Columbus had anywhere between 10 and 15 of those 500-pound anchors on board. And that's how you knew you had to go home. You had to short on food or short on anchors, whichever came first. Carpenters that could repair the ship, all sorts of different reasons. They would have had extra people on board.
Hello, Captain.
But they also were all sleeping on the deck. They didn't need anything but maybe a 1 by 5 foot square. And then they could just literally lay
Arr, that away.
So,
I do.
Got an eyelash, but you're good.
Thank you.
Hello again, and welcome to Proceeding Onward in America.
POA.
Well, today we had a great time over here in this campsite, Twin Lakes, and we are leaving today to head to our next destination, which is going to be
In Indiana.
Indiana. Well, we had a beautiful time here. We got to say goodbye to our family and friends out here at this beautiful site. And we are now leaving Kentucky for good until we come back another time.
In a couple months. So don't worry, we will come back. Our family, don't worry, we'll be back in the area again.
But it's time to start our beautiful journey. We'll just say goodbye in this video, and we'll see you on our next video in our new site. Happy camping.
Bye-bye.
Bye.